Milling of the planned restoration initially from the occlusal direction to the connectors. Remove the material blank together with the blank holder and put it aside. Now, another restoration can be milled. To do so, clamp another blank with the blank holder and start milling. Reposition the blank with the already milled upper part structure with high precision in micrometer range. Now only the underside of the restoration and the implant connections need to be milled, then the well-fitting, high-quality restoration can be handed over to the dentist.